Dear friends, good evening. Today I'm going to do transit analysis for Leo moon sign bones. So Leo is one of the fiery signs, um, and it is the sign is ruled by Sun, which is a fiery planet. So also uh, we need to see your Mahadasha and Antardasha Lord before we analyze our transit results. I always, mention in my videos. So whenever you consider your transit results, keep in mind who is your Antardasha Lord and who is your Mahadasha Lord, because these two planets have significant say in your transit. Suppose your Mahadasha is Saturn Mahadasha, and Antardasha is suppose Sun. These two planets play major role in your transit, in your moon transit, the Saturn and Sun. So Sun even have a strong say in your transit result, even though he moves every 1 month, because he is your sign lord, and also your Antardasha lord. So the first thing we need to consider in transit is the major planets for any moon sign: Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, and Saturn. So if you see the position of Saturn is in sixth house for Leo, so which is very good, auspicious. Saturn does extremely well in sixth house. So you find new opportunities. You like people who are unemployed, they get a job, and your career definitely flourish. You get recognition in very short time, and also you fight against enemies. uh, so by the time Saturn comes to your sixth house, your enemies become friends, and if there are still any enemies, okay, so you fight against them well. So that's how your sixth house Saturn helps you. And considering Rahu in 11th house is extremely well. He does extremely well in 11th house. So 11th house is house of gains, bigger network, elder siblings, and profits, uh, big organizations. So all is seen from 11th house. And Ketu is in fifth house. So that's the only the concerning thing. So you have more duties and responsibilities to take care of your children. That is one thing. And people who do not have children, so this is not a right time to look for children, because fifth house Ketu is not good. And also the fifth house is a house of thinking. Okay, so keep one thing in mind: wherever be the house the Ketu is positioned, he develops obsession. Okay, so suppose Ketu is in fifth house, so you develop some kind of extreme thinking, bad dreams, you see snakes, and also you feel like you are getting exhausted. And you have Jupiter in sixth house for time being, and again he moves to fifth house. Jupiter in fifth is good, because the any auspicious planet, okay, works well in fifth house. So Jupiter and Ketu, it forms a very good combination. They have some commonality, which is spirituality. So for you, this is the time for spiritual learning, because both Jupiter and Ketu both are in fifth house. Okay, and 11th house Rahu, so he's going to move to 10th house after this September, which is even good for you for your career if you want to look for better opportunities. And Ketu will move to your fourth house. So things will change after September. Jupiter also move to Capricorn after September. So I could say for right now, like dear Leo people, their planetary position is very good, and they are doing very well. So after September also, it will be good, because Saturn will be there for another 1.5 year. So Jupiter anyhow he'll be in sixth house after September, and till 2021 September he'll be in Capricorn. So sixth of Jupiter, okay. So it's not considered as very good, but still he is okay. Like a person who has Jupiter in sixth house, so he's called Ajata Shatru, so he doesn't have any enemies. So that way, Jupiter helps you. And also, wherever be the house Jupiter is in, Jupiter expands it. So sixth house is what you say is your daily routine. Okay, so your routine gets streamlined when Jupiter goes to your sixth house Capricorn. And also sixth house presents your service. So Jupiter will have a say in your career and service when he is in Capricorn. So this is my analysis about Leo moon sign. So if you like my video, click that bell button, subscribe to it. And if you are looking for detailed information about your moon sign, please do visit my website trendingastro.com. So there is a menu under it, you see planets and signs. So if you have some basic knowledge of your chart where planets are sitting in your houses, you yourself can read through your results. Thank you very much.